the gold man Santa.
Hell yeah. That's my dream.
Hi guys, welcome back to Clevver Style. Guess where we are?
SEPHORiA!
If you don't know what that is, that's totally fine because we didn't either. This is only the second time that they're doing this. Last year was to celebrate their 20th anniversary, and this year it's to celebrate us. No, I'm just kidding.
And I hear we're getting like really good goodie bags.
Oh,
We are.
hell yeah, you guys.
$250 worth.
I'm so excited. I don't know what to expect. I think that's the best part about it.
Honestly, that's why I'm here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. That's why I'm here. I'm here for the goodie bag.
It's gonna be so good.
But we'll do a haul, so you guys have to wait till the end of this video.
Keep watching.
Let's go discover SEPHORiA. Just walked in and this is totally wild. Like,
I see a Fenty Beauty booth.
I know they have a lot of makeup here, but they have a freaking Container Store booth. Container Store is the best place ever. I love the Container Store. Being a mom, I just really like going there. Shimmer spray.
Oh my god. Shimmer spray. You guys know how I love glitter.
Oh my, dude, the lighting in here, oh my gosh.
God. Okay, so these are from Dry Bar. They're little glitter sprays and they're probably for your hair, but I don't care, we're gonna put it all over our bodies. She didn't give me like...
Am I like Edward Cullen? You're beautiful.
Alright, general consensus. It just kind of feels like a giant Sephora. Like we're shopping at a giant, loud Sephora.
Yeah, so like don't worry about it. If you can't make it to SEPHORiA, I have the perfect solution. Get in your car, drive to your mall, wait till it's like Saturday at like 2 p.m. and you're gonna feel like you're at SEPHORiA.
It's pure chaos.
I'm just kidding. There's so many amazing things to see here, but essentially it is a giant shopping event. So if you love shopping, this is the place for you.
They also have a lot of like influencers and YouTubers here, makeup artists. It's all in one place.
Why aren't we letting the gold man fan us?
Hell yeah.
And there's this gold man.
That's my dream. Someone paint me that.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready. Ready and more ready for anything in my life.
Yes. A photo opportunity of a lifetime. How did it feel? Did we get the shot?
We did. Oh my god.
Okay, so in case you couldn't see that was the second naked man we've seen today. This one's riding a bike. Also, is it weird to date a dude who I met riding a bike naked at SEPHORiA?
I'm gonna say no. Don't think it's weird at all.
It's fine, right?
Because look at his body.
More naked men over there.
Oh, thank you. I think we gotta go over there now.
So we've made it to the second floor, and this floor is more like if you purchase like for a master class or like to get the services done, like get your hair done.
There's like so much beauty happening all around. It's like blow drying, straightening,
Dry
curling.
Bar, Amika.
You get a little quick little glow up, you know, from all the shopping and walking.
This is like Instagram heaven.
Lots of photo opportunities.
Because not only are there photo opportunities, they can get you ready for the photo opportunities.
Yes. You guys don't know me super well yet, but you will learn that I am obsessed with skincare, obsessed. And one of my favorite brands is Dr. Dennis Gross, and we basically pull a box off the wall, and we have a chance to win full-size products and even like an LED mask. They're really well known for this LED mask, and it makes you look like an alien, but it's supposed to be really good for your skin. I seriously geek out over skincare. You guys have no idea. Okay, so I'm about to pick a box and hopefully win a good like life-size product. Okay. I think I'm on the Price is Right.
Feel it out, feel it out. Yeah, word of advice, don't pick an empty.
Are you sure?
I don't know. No, I don't know.
Okay. It's a participation trophy. Participation trophy. Damn, I'm sad. Wish me better luck than
I'm all, let me pick another one. You can get closer.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Empty. That's all up to you in this situation. It's all
It's all up to you, Drew. Get it, get it.
What is she doing?
Trying to feel it. Wow, we're really good at this. I was like, participation trophies for all of us. All right, girl. What are we doing?
It's a Dyson era. I'm trying to touch up these like nasty curls that have disintegrated from all the sweat.
Oh wow, it's like a blow dryer. So you can touch it. You're not going to burn yourself. You're not going to burn your scalp. Nothing.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. So it's only using air. Yeah.
It like sucks it.
It just wraps it using air. Yeah.
It's like a vacuum for curlers.
Like if you're like blow drying your hair, you want to have a little bit of a flip.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Of course. Yeah. This is basically like trick or treat for beauty lovers.
Found the Fenty booth and I'm about to be matched for my foundation. I've never actually tried Fenty foundation and I know that we did a whole video on the channel already and Drew says it's the only foundation you'll ever use for life. So of course I had to try it. I feel like I'm getting a face massage.
It's literally like buffing you.
It's almost like I feel like it's this one, right?
Because it has
But
more
this one
gold.
doesn't look bad either. So I have 320 on this side.
Neutral.
And 300.
It's gold.
It's golden. It's closer to my skin tone because this side's based on my makeup and this side's based more on like my actual tones. So I think the winner is 300. We just left the event and now it's time for what we've been most excited for, goodie bags. But first I gotta say that SEPHORiA event was honestly one of the cutest things I think we've done on the channel.
Yeah, it was so much fun. Can we just have that as like a stand always? Words? I want to go there all the time.
So like I said, these are worth $250. And just so you guys know, whatever we don't mention, we're just gonna have everything linked so you guys can check it out in its entirety.
But you have to buy it, sorry.
I'm gonna start with this HUDA Beauty palette because I love these colors. I love shimmer eyeshadows. It's kind of like my jam, just because I think that like it shows up really nicely and it looks good on everybody. So I'm super excited about this palette. And then a company that I freaking love already so much is HUM. And I'll tell you right now that these gummies, they're addictive.
So freaking
I went through
good.
the entire bottle in like a week and a half, which like you're not supposed to do, but like, sorry about it. They're delicious, like I'm serious. What are you excited for?
Okay. Well, I love Drunk Elephant, and this is a life size. This is like full size product
Life
of
size.
the, you know what I mean, La La Retro whipped cream. I haven't used this one yet, but I really like Drunk
First of all,
Elephant. I know. Don't only get my 2 good nails because
It
the rest are
matches.
really bad.
it's actually the exact same shade.
It was meant to be.
It was meant to be.
Also, Whey is like super exciting and popular. You gotta get the hand behind
Yes,
it.
I love Whey so much.
And then I hadn't heard of this brand before, the Inky List. They had a really cute setup in
Their booth
SEPHORiA.
was so cute.
Yeah, and this is just like a full-size thing of hyaluronic acid, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Like, I'm into that.
Yeah, anytime a product says hyaluronic acid in bold, you're like super excited about it.
Super excited.
These gummies, I tried them when we were inside and holy good. I'm gonna eat this whole thing tonight. Easily.
And tonight, the car ride home.
Like the car, like I know you're not supposed to do that because you're just gonna pee it out. Like
Don't
Madeleine
waste
said,
it.
but-
Don't waste it. You gotta save the
I
sample.
actually like that's so unfair. Like it's unfair that your body just rejects excess biotin.
I know.
I actually I really overdosed on like hair gummies like a few months back, and I was like, ooh, my hair's gonna grow so much. And my boyfriend was the one who told me, he's like, actually, your body like eventually at some point is just like no, and then you just get rid of all of it. And I was like, did I just waste $75?
NARS lipstick. I mean, that's gonna last a while. This is in the color Toledi. I don't know. You guys can let me know how to say that in the
Mine's a like purplish, like almost like a dark lavender, and it's
that's
called
pretty.
Damage.
Oh!
I love that.
Oh,
right.
this color is
that
everything.
color's amazing.
Ravishing red.
Love
I
it.
love me a red.
Love
It's gonna look good on you.
Oh my god.
Okay, and there's still more, believe it or not, in this bag. So everything will be in the links below. So go check it out so you guys can see what all comes in that gift bag.
Yeah.
But right now, I want to talk about the products that we actually got. We actively chose to get, either because we were excited about them or we've always loved them. I really wanted to try this powder because as quickly as I tan, I also lose a tan very quickly. So I decided to get something that was more like in the middle and not so golden, so something that would work really well for fall.
Okay, I'm really obsessed with skincare. I always feel like good makeup looks great on great skin. So I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel Pads. I've actually tried this before, and it's basically like a two-step peel where you apply, you like rub on one of the pads, and then you wait 2 minutes, and then you apply the second one. It's supposed to help with anti-aging. And I always feel like my skin, it does that like nice tingle thing where I feel like it's really working and like making a difference.
Yeah.
I went through a whole box of this once, and I really, really loved what it did. It kind of helped smooth out like texture and impurities and all that stuff. So I really recommend.
I'm a little bit jealous, I'm not gonna lie. The way you just sold that is so good.
I got this Radioactive eyeshadow palette. I'll take it out so you guys can see it. The Radioactive palette is from Melt. Wait, you guys, first of all, look at this packaging.
Ooh, with your nails, that needs to be on your Instagram story today. Holding it with your nails is exact, like perfect, especially since your nails kind of look radioactive. This is amazing.
I got these insane colors because I have been so obsessed with Euphoria and the way the girls do their makeup in Euphoria. Okay, you guys, that was so much fun. Literally like Christmas 2.0. I just have to tell you, our gift bags are worth $250, but I heard the VIP gift bags, $900.
That's like more than my entire life.
That's insane. If you guys got one of those, let us know in the comments below because we want to know what was inside.
Yeah, maybe like attach couple pictures or just like send me, like DM them to me. I'm just like really curious.
Mail me the gift
Like,
bag.
we're pretty sure they're going to do Sephoria every year now because it's been so successful. The line was literally like a mile or two.
Yeah, and with the $900 VIP gift bag, I'm thinking that, I don't know, maybe we should just be VIP next year.
I think so.
Just a thought. Just a thought.
Clever.
So you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section below if you went to Sephoria, if you want to go next year, all the things.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, and if you
Share
guys
this
love
video.
Sephora as much as we do, like, we highly recommend you check out Sephoria. Honestly, it's just like, even just to go see what it looks like, it's super worth it.
Okay, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye! But before you go, we have more awesome, fun, and totally weird content for you right over here. And then make sure you hit that subscribe button, which should be like right here. Do it.